Namaste to all. In this short audio, we are going to see the fourth part of Manusmriti Slokas. I have made three other audios. I hope you would have seen. If you have not seen, please go and see. In my playlist in YouTube channel, you can see a heading Manu Bhagavan and Manusmriti, where you can find Tamil, English and Hindi audios and videos. So please go through it. These are not continuation. You can listen to any audios. So in this audio, we are going to see very important advices to the student. So if you are a parent, please listen very carefully and we should try to secure our children are brought up in the best way possible. And our Shastras, our Dharma, the Vedas, they are giving very clear directions to all these things. So Manusmriti 2/177 says Varjayin madhuman sanchagandam malyam rasan striyah shuktani yani sarvani praninam chaiva hinsanam. Varjayin madhuman sancha. These are all prohibited. What is prohibited? Madhu. Drinking liquor, drinking wine, taking alcoholic products, all these things are prohibited very strictly, not only for brahmachari but for every stage of life. And mansam, this is prohibited for every human being. Mansam means non-vegetarian diet. These are very precious advice for long happy life by Manu Bhagavan. Gandham malyam rasan striyah. The student should avoid putting garlands, putting scents or keeping flowers in the head. Female children keep flowers. These things should be avoided. They should not use scents. They should not use metallic medicines. And also Stri should not have a company of opposite sex. If it's a male student, then they should have only male friends, and female students female friends. If at all you have to speak to opposite sex, then of course in the presence of parents or teachers it can happen. Only if it's very very necessary. That's what my Acharya always says. Then Suktani yani sarvani praninam chaiva hinsanam. Sarvani praninam, they should never inflict violence on any prani, any living beings. They should always follow love and affection to all the living creatures. This is not only advice for a brahmachari student, it is also for all the human beings basically. Then 2/178 Manu Bhagavan says Abhayangam manjanam chaksha no rupana chatradharanam kamam krodam cha lobam cha nartanam gitavadhanam. So another thing which is prohibited is do not touch the private parts of the body. Only touch it when it is necessary for cleaning, taking bath, etc. So unnecessary touching the body parts or rubbing the body parts is prohibited, strictly for both male and female brahmachari students. And then Chatradharanam, do not use umbrella, do not use slippers. Of course, slippers in today's situation, it's very difficult to follow this instruction. But then if we follow this instruction, it's still very good. Then Kamam Krodam cha Lobam cha Nartanam Gita Vadanam. Do not do dance. Do not go and see dance programs. Do not go and see movies which has a song, dance, etc. Of course, you can sing only if it is a bhajan for on spiritual side. We can of course sing, but not for any entertainment. This is prohibited for students. Why prohibited? Yeah, when you have to control the senses and perceptions at young age to focus on studies. Then Kamam Krodam Lobam. Kama means sensuousness, Krodam means anger, Lobam means greed. All those things has to be controlled. How to control? Of course, we can control only by listening to the Vedas preach of Acharya, as well as doing everyday worship of Almighty God as per Vedas. What a beautiful advice. Then Manusmriti 2/179 Manu Bhagavan says Dyutam cha janavadam cha parivadam tata nritam strinam cha prekshana lambam upagatam parasaya cha. Dyutam cha janava, unnecessary talking to friends or even relatives or house or anybody else. Don't talk unnecessarily unless there is a subject to talk. Then Anritam, do not speak lies. Do not tell lies. Always speak the truth. Then Strinam chapre. So also do not gaze at opposite sex. A female student should not gaze at male, and then male should not see gaze at the opposite sex, that is female student. So this has to be avoided. Then do not inflict injury to others. Upagatam, don't do injury or Do not also get dependent on others. Try to be as much independent as possible as a student. Then the other one is 2 by 180. Ekah shayitas sarvatra naretah skandayet kvachit kamadhi skandayan reto hinsati vratamatmanah. So if a man waste his vital fluid, his semen, through lust, then he brings to naught, that is, he finishes his brahmacharya vrat. The vow of brahmacharya is finished. Ekah shayita, always sleep alone. Even the advice by Manu Bhagavan, even for student life, even if the student is studying in school and day scholar going from house every day, try to sleep alone in a floor. Do not sleep with the parents, etc. Then sarvatra na retah, do not waste the vital fluid. And always should control the senses. This is very, very important for a brahmachari to gain education, to gain Vedic education, as well as for strong memory power, plus also very, very happy and peaceful life. This is most important advice for the brahmachari students. So when we do not have a company of opposite sex, when we do not see them, when we do not have their friendship, and do not gaze them, and also always try to focus, do not talk unnecessarily, do not use sense, all those things. When we do these kind of practices at young age, our life will be very much secured for happiness, long life, and also we will get the blessings of Acharya and support of Almighty God at every point of time. This is a very, very great advice. If you are a parent, try to ponder upon. If you have some doubts, please do send messages. Of course, this is not my knowledge. Whatever knowledge I have learnt is from my Acharya only. And this knowledge also I am taking from the book Light of Truth by Maharishi Dayananda Saraswati. Nothing is my knowledge. I hope you would have enjoyed the audio. Request you to hear it out again. Thank you so much. Namaste. Om.